What if I told you that you could make $1,000 a day on Instagram? Sounds crazy, right? But I'm serious. This isn't about selling your soul or becoming some sleazy guru. This is about building a real business, a real brand, on a platform that's literally built for connection and, yeah, making that dough. It takes hustle, grinding, and putting in the work that most people aren't willing to do. So buckle up, because in this video, I'm gonna break it down, step by step, exactly how to turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine. No BS, just real talk and actionable advice. Let's go. Alright, let's talk mindset. If you're gonna win on Instagram and make $1,000 a day, you gotta have your head in the game. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building something real, something sustainable. And that starts with your mindset. First off, you gotta believe it's possible. See it, feel it, taste it. Because if you don't believe in yourself, it's not gonna happen. Next, you gotta be willing to put in the work. Not just posting a picture once a day, but grinding, hustling, putting in the hours, day in and day out. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistency, dedication, and showing up even when you don't feel like it. But it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Be strategic, creative, and constantly learning and adapting. The Instagram game is always changing, so stay ahead of the curve. And finally, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful Instagram account. It takes time to build a following, trust, and see results. But if you put in the work and stay consistent, you will see results. Believe in yourself, put in the work, and you will succeed. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to actually make that $1,000 a day. Listen up, entrepreneurs. If you want to make serious bank on Instagram, you gotta stop thinking small. Forget about selling a million trinkets for a couple bucks each. We're going for the big leagues high-ticket items. Why high-ticket? Simple math. Selling one high-end product for $1,000 trumps hustling to move $110 items. Think luxury travel packages, exclusive online courses, and premium physical goods like designer fashion and top-of-the-line tech gadgets. Find high-ticket products that resonate with your audience. What are their passions, pain points, and dreams? Selling high-ticket isn't about being pushy. It's about building trust, providing value, and positioning yourself as the go-to expert in your niche. Showcase the lifestyle that comes with these high-ticket items. People buy into aspiration. Share stunning visuals, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and testimonials from satisfied customers. Ditch the small-time thinking and embrace the power of high-ticket. Your bank account will thank you. Alright, let's talk about the lifeblood of your Instagram hustle. Your audience. You can have the best high-ticket products in the world, but if you're preaching to an empty room, it ain't gonna matter. We need to build you a tribe, a loyal following that trusts you, engages with you, and buys from you. Consistency is key. None of this posting once a week and wondering why your engagement is in the toilet. We're talking daily, high-quality content that provides value, sparks conversation, and keeps your audience coming back for more. Get personal. People connect with people, not faceless brands. Share your story, your struggles, your wins. Be authentic, be vulnerable, be real. People are drawn to authenticity like moths to a flame. Growth hacks. The follow-unfollow method still works. Find accounts in your niche, follow their followers, and watch your own follower count climb. Engage with these new followers, comment on their posts, slide into their DMs, build real relationships, not just a vanity metric. Collaborations are your secret weapon. Partner up with influencers and brands in your niche. Do shoutouts, guest posts, joint ventures. Stay on top of the algorithm. Use relevant hashtags, post at optimal times, and experiment with different content formats. Provide value, build relationships, and watch your tribe grow into a force to be reckoned with. Alright, we've talked mindset, high-ticket products, and audience growth. Now let's talk about turning those followers into paying customers. Focus on promoting premium products that align with your audience's needs and desires. Educate them, provide value, and position yourself as the trusted advisor. Affiliate marketing is your best friend. Find high-quality products in your niche, sign up for their affiliate programs, and promote them to your audience. Brand partnerships are another goldmine. Connect with brands that align with your values and audience. Negotiate paid sponsorships, product reviews, or even create your own branded merchandise. Create your own digital products like online courses, ebooks, or coaching programs. This allows you to control the pricing, the messaging, and the entire customer experience. Build an email list from day one and nurture those subscribers with valuable content, exclusive offers, and behind-the-scenes insights. Email marketing is a powerful tool for driving sales and building long-term relationships. Monetizing your Instagram is about finding the right balance between providing value and making a profit. Focus on building a sustainable business that serves your audience, and the money will follow. So there you have it, your roadmap to making $1,000 a day on Instagram. We talked mindset, high-ticket products, audience growth, and monetization strategies. Now it's time to put in the work. Success on Instagram, like anything worthwhile in life, takes hustle, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. Start today, take action, and never ever give up on your dreams. Host, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this. See you in the next video. Subscribe to Today Financial Analysis for more tips.